Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make rolls with paper, easy method. Start with a rectangular sheet and place it on a flat surface. Align one short edge toward you and begin rolling tightly and evenly toward the opposite edge. Keep steady tension so the tube stays uniform. Tuck the final flap neatly inside or under the roll and secure the seam with a dab of glue or a thin strip of tape. Choose your paper size by testing a scrap sheet and estimating the diameter you want, then cut to length. Place the trimmed edge against the rolling line and roll with consistent pressure to hit your target measurement. If ends look uneven, trim them cleanly before sealing. That gives a neat finish. Experiment with different weights and widths to find the best balance between flexibility and strength for your project. If you're enjoying the tutorial, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow and means I can make more helpful videos like this. Quick recommendation. Bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers I use all the time. They're handy when crafting and storing supplies. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab them easily. Now let's get back to the video. After sealing, press along the seam with a bone folder or the edge of a ruler to remove air and ensure adhesion, which improves durability. For decoration, wrap washi tape, paint, or apply a thin varnish to protect surfaces and add color. If you need extra rigidity, slide a small cardboard or plastic core inside, then trim the ends flush for a uniform, professional result that holds shape during handling and display.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.